Good day, applicant A1200294.
Good day, ma'am and sir.
Can you introduce yourself?
I am Elizabeth Hernandez, 26 years old, single, and we are two in the family and I am the oldest. I am nursing undergraduate in Dasmariñas, Cavite. I am Catholic.
Do you have any working experience as domestic helper here in the Philippines or in abroad?
Yes, ma'am, sir. I have experience here in the Philippines for 4 years. They are one in the family, one couple, and one twins. I can clean the house. I cook simple Filipino food and willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. I can go to the market, mopping the floor, washing the dishes and clothes. For the children, my duties and responsibilities are giving food, prepare their school uniform, send and fetch to school, help them in their assignment, and sometimes bring to the park.
Do you have any hobbies?
My hobbies are singing and dancing.
Why do you want to go abroad?
I want to go abroad because I want to have a better for my family.
Any message for future employer?
Yes, sir, ma'am. If you choose me as one of your servant, I will do all my duties and responsibilities. I am honest, patient, and hardworking. And I will treat your family as my own. And I promise to finish my 2 years contract. I hope to see you soon. Ma'am and sir, thank you.
Thank you and good luck.